Hi everyone, it's another presentation week, and today I want to focus one of my question: what are some public school challenges we face today? So I listed three of them. The first one will be bullying and cyberbullying. Bullying and cyberbullying have a profound impact on the learning aptitude of many students today. More than 16,000 young people are absent from school because of bullying. According to the 2017 National Center for Education Statistics and Bureau of Justice report showed that there were 20% of students ages 12 to 18 experience bullying, and there are 15% students ages 12 to 18 who reported being bullied online or by text. The second one will be student attitudes and behaviors. National Center for Education Statistics show that many public school students disrespect for teachers. So in 2015 to 16, about 5% of public schools reported student verbal abuse of teachers, and 10% reported acts of student disrespect for teachers other than verbal abuse. And the last one I want to address is student health. Students' poor eating habits that led to the obesity problem contributing to lower student achievement. According to Centers for Disease Control and Prevention data from 2015 to 16 showed that nearly 1 in 5 school-aged children and young people 6 to 19 years old in the United States has obesity. So I was surprised to find this in my research. As the future teachers, we will face these problems. I'm glad that we have learned and discussed how moral education has great impact on us and our students. That prepares me to help my students be respectful to teacher and others. Okay, thank you.